What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to leave feedback for a recent item that you purchased on eBay. I'm going to be doing this from the mobile eBay app. However, you could do this equally on desktop as well. So hopping into the eBay mobile app here and just going over to my eBay, into purchases, and then you'll see a full list of your recent purchases. The first two I haven't received yet. Same with that fourth one, but that one in the middle, you'll see that big blue button for leave feedback. It won't appear unless the item has been received already. If for some reason you haven't or you have received the item, but it still says track package, if you click on the item individually, you could leave feedback through here as well, simply by leaving the feedback on this button. If you back out though, click leave feedback as you traditionally would for an item you received. First, you rate your feedback. I'm going to rate positive. There was nothing wrong for me. Item description is 5 stars. Cost was fine with me. Same with the shipping time. Share the feedback. I'm just going to say something simple like great item, A+, will buy again. And you could just say whatever you want. Give a more detailed experience if there's something specifically you want to say. You could also add any photos specifically if you want to reference something. That would probably only be for concerns. And then you could just leave feedback. And there you are. Your feedback is left. It'll ask you to leave feedback for some other purchases that I will eventually get to. But that is pretty much all there is to it. That is how you leave feedback on the eBay mobile app. Thank you for watching. If you did find this helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I will see you in the next one.